In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Printify shipping with Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting up your shipping correctly is a crucial step in ensuring that your customers have a smooth experience when purchasing from your online store. So let's dive in. First, let's make sure you have both your Printify and Shopify accounts set up. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and create accounts on both platforms. It's super simple, and having them ready will just streamline the entire process we're about to cover. Once your accounts are set up, let's jump into Printify. Here, you can start by selecting the products you plan to sell, whether t-shirts, mugs, or any of the other attractive items that Printify offers. When you have your products ready, make sure you add them to your Printify store, customize them with your designs, and then hit Publish to send them over to Shopify. Now, after you've populated your store with products, head over to your Shopify dashboard. From here, you want to navigate to the Settings section, located in your Shopify admin. In the Settings menu, you'll see various options, but you want to focus on the Shipping and Delivery settings. Once in the Shipping and Delivery section, there's a lot to configure. The first step is to decide whether you want to offer free shipping, flat rate shipping, or shipping calculated by the carriers. This decision affects not only your store's settings, but also the experience you want to create for your customers. If you opt for free shipping, remember to factor that into your product pricing. A flat rate can be appealing too, as it simplifies costs for your customers. If you do choose to go with calculated shipping, ensure that you've set up your shipping zones correctly. This is essential for calculating accurate shipping costs based on your customers' locations. Let's talk about print provider settings next. Within Printify, you'll want to make sure to select the right print providers based on where your products will ship from. Each provider has different shipping rates and delivery times, so it's worth spending a few moments checking out which providers offer the best options for your target market. When you've selected your preferred print provider, you will notice that there are different shipping rates associated with each. You'll find this information in Printify under the shipping settings. Make sure to take note of these rates, because you'll want to replicate them in your Shopify settings for consistency. Now, going back to Shopify, add the shipping rates you've gathered from Printify. If you've chosen flat rate shipping, simply input those rates, but if you're going with calculated rates, you would enable automatic rates based on location. This might take a little extra time, as you may want to input specific zip codes or regions, but accuracy is key in providing a seamless customer experience. Don't forget to save your changes along the way. It's easy to get caught up in the process, but saving consistently prevents any unforeseen losses. Now that your shipping settings are all set up, it's wise to create a test order to see how everything flows from a customer's perspective. This test is crucial as it helps you identify any issues in the shipping calculations or the overall checkout process. To do this, simply navigate to your online store and create a sample order. Make sure to go through the checkout process as a customer would. Check for shipping cost accuracy, delivery time expectations, and whether everything appears as you anticipated. After you've done this, it's always a good idea to revisit both Printify and Shopify to make adjustments based on your testing experience. Setting up shipping can seem a bit overwhelming, but once you've gone through the process a couple of times, it becomes second nature. And that wraps up our tutorial on setting up Printify shipping with Shopify. I hope this video was helpful, and you now feel more confident in handling your shipping settings. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and consider subscribing for more content just like this. Happy selling!